G'day guys, Tom on the Daiwa stand here. I've got the brand new Spartan rod range. So this is 2 years in development, this series. Totally redesigned from the ground up to really bring Australians the offshore specific models that we need for our fishing. So we've got everything from your GT popping rods and a popping rod and a stick bait rod. We've got your flats casting rods, land-based rods, and a set of jigging rods in both spin and overhead. So the really cool thing about Spartan rods is they feature our brand new X45 Cobra Shield technology. So it really reduces the twisting torsional stiffness of the blank. It increases the stiffness. What that does is when you're casting your rods, the rod resists the twisting force more and puts more effort into the cast, so you get a longer, much longer distance cast. It also lets us make the rods physically lighter and much thinner blank, so you get a much nicer rod to use for a long period of time, especially in a big GT rod like this. Fuji stainless steel silicon carbide insert guides on all the rods. Really quality Fuji reel seat. Everything is top notch with these Spartan rods. So, as I said, very technique specific for our fishery here in Australia. They'll be sitting underneath the Saltiga series, $5.99 retail. So check the new Spartan series out now.